Start by carefully measuring the width and height of the window opening where the AC window seal will be fitted. Add 2 centimetres to all 4 sides. This will be the total size of the panel. Then, measure the diameter of the exhaust hose of the portable AC and decide where you want the hole in the panel. Keep in mind the length of the hose and where you'll be placing the AC. Start by marking out the glazing clips. The spacing between the clips is 30 centimetres. The first clip goes 5 centimetres from the corner, the rest at a spacing of 30 centimetres. Once all the clips are marked out, we can pre-drill. We use a 2.5mm drill bit. Once all the holes are drilled, we can fit the glazing clips. Lay the panel on a flat surface and remove the film. Apply the insulation tape along all 4 edges on the back of the panel. Now remove the film from the front of the panel. Open the window slightly so the warm air can escape later and secure the window. Place the panel in front of the window and turn the clips a quarter turn to lock the panel in place. Now take the portable AC and place the hose into the hole in the panel. Switch the AC on. We offer the AC window seal in clear and in white, black and budget white.